તમે ડાયરેક્ટલી printf ରେ ନେମ୍ ପାସ୍ କରିଦେଉଛ, ସେମିତି ନାହିଁ। ସେ ମାଗିବ ଏଣ୍ଟର ୟୋର ନେମ୍, ତମେ ନେମ୍ଟା ନେଇକି ଗୋଟେ ଭ୍ୟାରିଏବଲରେ ଷ୍ଟୋର କରିବ, ତାପରେ ଯାଇକି ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ କରିବ। ତମେ କ'ଣ କରିଛ ନା ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟଲି printf ରେ ଷ୍ଟୋର ମାନେ ଶୋ କରିଦେଉଛ, ସେମିତି ହେବନି। ଆମେ ଇଏ କରିବା ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଭ୍ୟାରିଏବଲରେ ନେଇକି ଷ୍ଟୋର କରିକି ତାପରେ ଡାଟାକୁ ଶୋ କରିବା। Okay, now we go for some operators. Then we do some kind of program. So an operator is a symbol that operate on one value or a variable. For example, we are using plus operator. The plus operator is an operator. It is used to perform like addition. The operator is a symbol that operate on a value or a variable. And first we are using assignment operator. Assignment operator means for storing the value in a variable, we are using assignment operator. Already you know that what is that assignment operator. So if you go to this, so what are the operators we are using? First is assignment operator. Suppose I am defining a variable is a. If I pass a is equals to 10, that means in a variable I am storing 10. So here a is called as the assignment operator. Means in a variable I am storing the value a, value 10. So here equals is called as the assignment operator. Okay, so this assignment operator is called as the simple assignment operator. So here equals is called as the Equal is called, it is simple assignment operator. This is called as a simple assignment operator. बुझिएला?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now the assignment operator are used to assign the value to a variable. So here we use int age equals to 5. The assignment operator assign the value on the right of the variable on its left. Here 5 is assigned to the variable using plus operator. So there are other assignment operator also we're using. Okay, so I will move to the another slide. Okay, so in the assignment operator we're using what? An operator is a special symbol that is combined with one or more operand. So here x and y is called as the operand. So x and y is called as the operand, plus is called as the operator. Okay, so it is called as the operand. Here the plus is called as the operator. So there are different type of operators we are having, like here in the C programming also we have the different kind of operators. First is we have the arithmetic operator. In arithmetic operator we are using plus, minus, multiplication, division and modulo. Okay, so plus is used for adding the number, minus is used for subtracting the number, star is used for multiply the number. Then we're using division operator, divide. Then modulo is used to showing the remainder part. So which one is the remainder part? It is display you. Okay, so modulo is showing you the remainder part here. Okay, now we go for that. So here we have to mention two variable, int a is suppose 31, then int b is equals to 10. Then another variable here I define int c. The c is equals to a plus b. Then printf value of c after addition percentile d and c. Then next program subtraction is c. C equals to a into b. It is a multiplication. Multiplication is c. Then here after division is c. Okay, ମୁଁ जो practical गुड़ा कटी देखौचे एटा भी तुम्हें करके practice करके मते देखेइबो. नमस्ते. तो नेक्स्ट क्लास तुम्हारा अब वेडनेसडे काली मते पूरा एई प्रैक्टिकलटा करके मते काली देखेइबो. ए समय मते पठाई दबो संध्या रे. So C, that is A modulo B. A modulo B, it is showing you the remainder part. Sorry, I have not mentioned slash n. Slash n, slash n, slash n. First is addition, 31 plus 10 is 41, 31 minus 10 is 21. Then when it is multiplied 310, after division, division 3, and after remainder is 1. Okay, बुझिएला?
Yes, sir.
That is the all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is all arithmetic operators we are using here. Then in assignment operator, we have the two type of operator. One is simple assignment operator, another is um, complex assignment operator. We go for it. Then before that, we go for unary operator. Okay, unary operator means which operator is working on one operand. So here we pass C equals to A plus B. So here you have the two operand, that is A and B. But when the operator is working with one operand, then that is called as the unary operator. ମାନେ ଏଠି ଆଉ ଆମର A B C କିଛି ରହିବନି, ଖାଲି ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ଅପରେଣ୍ଡ ଉପରେ କାମ କରିବ, ସେଇଟା ହବ ଆମର unary operator. So C programming has two operator, two kind of unary operator where you be using. One is plus plus, another is minus minus. Okay, so if you write here the example our ଏଠି ଦେଖେଇ ଦଉଛି. So what is that unary operator we go, I'm showing you. Okay, so unary operator, an operator that require one operand, is called as the unary operator. One is unary plus operator, unary minus operator, then increment operator, which is if you are writing plus plus, it is increment the value by 1. If you write here minus minus, it is a decrement the value by 1. Another we are using logical operator, not operator we are using. The two type operator we are using, one is unary operator plus, unary minus operator minus, increment operator plus plus, decrement operator minus minus, logical operator that not we are using, it is invert the value. Okay, so these are the different operator we are using. Okay, so how the unary operator is working, I will show this animation. This operator is applicable for one operand is called as a unary operator. Unary operator are used to increment or decrement the value of the operand by 1. The unary operator is classified into two parts. One is increment and decrement operator. Increment means plus plus, decrement means minus minus we are using. Plus plus operator also known as increment unary operator. It increases the value of the operand by 1. So if you write x plus plus, that means it is increment the value of x to 6. Okay, if your x value is 5, then if you write x plus plus, so it is increment to 6. बुझेला?
Yes, sir.
Next we go for
Sir.
minus minus operator. Minus minus operator is decrement the value. Suppose if your x value is 5, it is decrement. Okay, decrement to 4. The increment and decrement unary operator can be categorized as pre-increment unary operator and post-increment unary operator. Okay, pre-increment and decrement unary operator, post-increment and decrement operator. Okay, so pre-increment means if you write plus plus x, that is pre-increment. Post-increment means if you write x plus plus, so that is, if you mention here, plus plus x, that is means pre-increment. If you write x plus plus, that means it is called as the post increment. This pre-increment and post-increment operator we are using. Now, if your x, it means what? Okay, now it means fast increment, then display. It means fast display, then increment. The first one is fast increment, then display. Second one is fast display, then increment. So these are the pre-increment and post-increment operator we're using. Now, in this case, what happened? If you write here, if your x value is 5, मोर x का value एठी हला 5, then मु जदि लिखिबी y equals to plus plus x, जदि मु ए statement टा execute करिबी, then tell me what is the value of y and what is the value of x here. x ର value କେତେ ହବ y ର value କେତେ ହବ
Y equal to
Sir, y 6, x be 6.
y ଟା
first
Y টা
increment
6,
then display 6.
তারপরে x be 6.
y ଟା 6
Yes, sir.
x ବି 6 करेक्ट ମାନେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଇନକ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା କାହାର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଇନକ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ହବ
Display 6.
x ର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଇନକ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ହବ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଇନକ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ
5 ର
x ର ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଇନକ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା
oh, sorry.
5 ଟା ହେଇଗଲା 6
X value increment.
ଯଦି ଏଇଟା 6 ହେଇଗଲା y ଟା ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଅଟୋମେଟିକ 6 ହେଇଗଲା
Then display.
ବୁଝିଲା
Yes, yes, right.
then if my x value is 5 if I write y equals to x plus plus now tell me what is the value of y and what is the value of x here what is the value of y
5, 5 plus 1, 6.
I is equals to 6
5
So
display.
y is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
5.
y equals to Disha
5,
So,
5 plus 1.
so 6, 6.
y equals to 6
So y equal to 6 or
X
x
equal
equal
to 6.
x भी 6 yeah
again.
No, sir, x 5 होगा ना?
x is 5 Disha is it correct
Mm. No, sir, y 5, x 6.
y 5 x is 6 this one is correct because it is fast display what to display it is display y value y is y x value is 5 so y is equals to 5 then after that it is increment the value so it is increment the value of x so when it is increment the value of x x becomes 6 here okay
Yes, sir.
so it is called as the what unary operator we're using which is working like increment and decrement operator okay so c programming has two operator one is plus plus another is minus minus to change the value of the operand by 1 increment plus plus it is increases the value of 1 whereas minus minus decreases the value by 1 these two operator are the unary operator meaning they only operate on the single operand they working on the single operand okay
Yes, sir.
so it is a small program we have int a value is 10 when it is increment it is 11 b is 100 then when it is decrement it is 99 c it is increment 11.50 when you are writing minus minus d 99.50 okay so
Yes, sir.
these are the operators we are using Then in the assignment operator, your assignment operator is of two type. One is simple assignment operator, another is complex assignment operator. Simple assignment operator, we'll already go through it, that we're writing here a equals to 5. That means that is a simple assignment operator. In here it is a simple assignment operator equals to, this one is called the complex assignment operator, plus equals to, means a plus equals to b means a equals to a plus b, a minus equals to b means a equals to a minus b, a multiplication equals to b means a equals to a into b, a division equals to b means a equals to a by b. Then next is we are using a modulo equals to b means a equals to a modulo b. So which is showing the remainder part. Okay. So equals to a equals to b, plus equals to a is equals to a plus b, minus equals to a equals to a minus b. Then a multiplication equals to b means a equals to a into b. A division equals to b means a equals to a by b. A modulo equals to b means a equals to a modulo b. That is a complex assignment operator we're using. Now we go for the what am I use करेगा? int a equals to 5, c equals to a. Then ଏଠି ମୋର print କରିବ int a equals to 5. a रे मु कौन करी c ର value c रे जगह रे मु a टा स्टोर करी ता 5 ହେଲା. c plus equals to a, c plus equals to a means ଏଠି ଆସିଲା c is equals to c plus a. तो c ର value ଏଠି ଅଛି କେତେ 5 ଅଛି. तो 5 a ର value ଅଛି 5, तो ଏଠି मते 10 स्टोर कला. तो c ର value ଏବେ 10 ଅଛି. c equals to minus equals to a. तो c equals to c minus a. c ର value 10 ଅଛି. 10 minus 5 is 5. तो c ର value ଏବେ 5 ଅଛି. c multiplication equals to a. c is equals to c into a. c ର value 5 ଅଛି. a ର value 5 ଅଛି. 5 into 5 ହେଇଗଲା 25. तो c ର value 25 ଅଛି. then 25 divided by 5. c equals to c by a. तो मोर रिमाइंडर आसला एटी 5 इट शो कला. c modulo equals to a which is showing the remainder part. माने 5 अछि. 5 by 5 मोर रिमाइंडर आसी गला 0. तो एटी मते 0 प्रिंट कला. बुझेला?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so in the next class, we start with the relational operator. In the Wednesday, we go for it. You do all the practicals, जितने भी सब practicals सब मु बतेइछि सब करिदबो. मु आउ अलगा एक्सरसाइज गुला भी सेंड करबी आपरे. बुझियो एते प्रैक्टिकल करके मते देखियो पठेयो WhatsApp पे.
Yes, sir.
और जदि किसी कार डाउट अछि मते कहबो मु काली भी डाउट क्लियर कर देबी ओके बाय
Good night, sir.
बाय